Citrex was established about 10 years ago to help students reinforce knowledge, reinforce the concepts that they learn in classrooms in a positive and in a happy environment. So a lot of students have this problem of disengagement. So when you notice that some of them are fiddling around, doodling when they're in the class, some of them are sleeping, some of them are disengaged, you can see that they're not interested, they don't want to come to school, they don't look forward to their studies, to their classwork. So Citrex was designed to engage students. So psychology says that students have different senses. So some students learn through their movements, some students learn through visuals, some students learn through hearing. So Citrex was designed to cater to all these different learning styles. So Citrex activities, they are highly visual. They've got all this, they've got all the auditory, they've got audios which students can listen to, they've got visuals which students can see. Then students can also play games, which makes learning much more exciting. We call this as interactive learning, or in education terms, this is known as active learning. Also, Citrex content is designed specifically to switch the modes. It is said that we learn best when we switch between the focused and the diffused states of thinking. So briefly speaking, what those states are. So when you are trying to focus on something, when you are, when you're solving a math problem and you're really thinking hard, a lot of times you get lost. You are unable to find an answer. And then it is recommended that you take a break. And then a lot of people, they either take a nap, some go and play games, some go and take a shower, and then after they come back, they're able to think, and again the idea and suddenly it all becomes clear to them. So Citrex is designed to switch the thinking modes in students as well. So a lot of times you see that concepts, it converges on a topic, and then it completely takes the convergence away, and then students are able to play a game, they're able to watch a video or an animation, they come in the diffuse state, and then it takes them back to the concept. So Citrex accelerates learning significantly, and we have seen the results in students. When students who did not like science, they've started loving science. Students did not like Urdu, Pakistan studies, Islamia, they were all very boring subjects. But suddenly with Citrex, all the interest is returning, and students love doing Islamia and social studies, and it all makes sense to them.